Uninstall Easyshare app. In this video, you are going to learn how to uninstall Easyshare app. So let's get started. If you're an Android user, you have to follow these instructions. First, open the Settings app. On your Android device, navigate to the Apps or Apps and Notifications Center and scroll through the list of installed apps and find Easyshare. Tap on Easyshare to open its information page. Depending on your device and Android version, you may see an uninstall button directly on this page. If not, you may need to tap on Storage first and then select Clear Data, followed by Clear Cache, and finally you should see the Uninstall button. Tap on Uninstall and confirm any prompts to uninstall the app. But if you are using iPhone or iPad, so you have to locate the Easyshare app icon in your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it starts shaking and an X appears at the top left corner of the app icon. Tap on the X on the Easyshare app icon. Confirm the deletion by tapping delete in the prompt that appears. Alternatively, you can go to the Settings app, then Journal, then iPhone storage or iPad storage. Find Easyshare in the list of applications and tap on it, then tap Delete app. That's all. That's how you will be able to uninstall Easyshare app on your iPhone and Android.